Today's video is going to be walking through a possible solution if you're having issues with receiving inquiries through a contact form on your WordPress website. So sometimes you've got a contact page with a contact form, but you're just not receiving the submissions via the form. I don't have one there, but we got WooCommerce installed. So for WooCommerce, you would receive the order confirmations. If you're not receiving any messages, any emails from your WordPress website, there's likely an issue with the deliverability of the email. Now, this could be for a number of reasons, but the most popular and the most common reason we find is you're hosting the website on some cheap hosting on a shared hosting platform. That means there's a number of websites also hosted on the same server, and you're using that server to send the messages from your website. Now, because you're doing that, there's a higher chance that they're going to get flagged as spam. So they end up in the server spam filter or in your email client, say in your Gmail spam filter. So today we're going to walk through one of the solutions for that. So one of the solutions is if you use an alternative method to send your email notifications from your website. So we're going to use a platform called Brevo. It's similar to MailChimp, but we're just going to use it simply to send email notifications. So we're going to create an account here using our email address, which I believe is that. Yep. So a lot there. Okay, great. So that is now just got to verify the email. So emails come through. So we just got to verify this. Okay, great. So we're going to create our profile on Brevo. Just as with everything, you got to add the verification code. Just use the free version if you're sending, they're called transactional emails. Any emails being sent from your website is just transactional. So now we will have to set up the senders. You want to add your domain name. Just changed it a little bit. Is this before? So we're just authenticating here. sent to your email. So you just got to copy the verification code, sent to the email to verify ownership of your hosting account. This is a lot easier than what it used to be. You used to have to enter the DNS settings manually. So hopefully this works and it makes it a whole lot easier. Excellent. So this has authenticated the domain name to show that we own it and we have access to it. So all of this will improve deliverability. Tag is missing, so we're going to add. I'm going to add a sender here. So this is going to be the email address we want to use to send our transactional emails from on the website. I'm not sure how important that is, to be honest. Excellent. Now we want to add Brevo to the website. So you can do this with a plugin. Great, and then where's that gone? It's at the bottom. So now we just need to connect the Brevo account with your WordPress website. So we need to get the API from your account. So we can just click this. It'll take us directly onto to our Brevo account because we're already logged in. We need to generate a new API key. So you only need one API key for your whole website. You don't need to create a new API for each form. Excellent, so that's successfully activated. Now we want to make sure that this is ticked here, activate email through Brevo. So that's perfect. So yeah, we want to activate through Brevo and we can send a test email. That is sent. And we can see it's successfully been sent here. So that's how, so now you should test your contact form on your website to check if you're receiving the emails. What's really good is that when you're logged into Brevo, you can also see the email log as well, which not all hosting providers show you. So you can see, you'll see if it's been sent, you can see if it's been delivered, and you can also see if it's opened. If there's an issue, such as it's been bounced back or there's an error, it will pop up here and you'll see the problem, and then you can look to resolve that further. But this is ideal. Now you're not using the server to send mails from your website. You're using Brevo, which is more reputable, and you've got the DNS records saved in your DNS settings, which ensures that your mail does get delivered and doesn't get marked as spam. So I hope that video was clear for you. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. We're trying to do one each day. So thanks for watching and see you again soon.